Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality story on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook account, click on your profile, and then scroll down. Here, you will need to click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Data Use. Once you click on it, you will get a page where you can manage all your data usage. So from here, you can see under video quality two options, which are optimized and data saver. Here, you will need to make sure that you enable the optimized option and disable the data saver, because data saver is gonna force Facebook to save your data, and in that case your Facebook story is gonna end up in low quality. So make sure that the optimized option is enabled and the data saver option is disabled. So basically, this is what you can do to fix low quality stories on Facebook. A lot of users do face this issue, and the method that I just have showed you does fix it, as Facebook does allow their users to control that part of their account. So it's quite simple and easy to fix. Hopefully that was helpful.